Working out and getting in shape just got more invigorating at Next Level Fitness's 3 facilities in Columbus and Cincinnati, Ohio. Each gym has a new video system on 30 screens with a wide range of video content, including drone video, music videos, and even trivia contests.
It's amazing. I mean, the interaction with the members has been amazing. I've been starting now to put some advertising on it, specials that we're offering, or maybe a trainer has a special for the month. We've been putting those on it. I'm going to put a banner. I have a big CrossFit area on this side that I'm going to just put Next Level banner on there. So it's actually really cool. If you dive into the actual box and understand what it does, it's amazing. I mean, there's a lot of things. It's not just the video. While they're doing the cardio, a lot of the drones. I have women asking for the destination videos. There's a fitness video that, they do also a lot of cooking recipes and stuff like that in there. A lot of yoga. It's really interactive with my members. It kind of keeps them, like on the cardio, I hear, it kind of keeps them interested in the TV and not as much, the pain that they're going through on the cardio.
It's easy to set up and it costs nothing while bringing in revenues to the business on a monthly basis. Interested? Get in contact with Jon Autry at 1-804-873-1920 to get this in your business.